So when Joe and I first started Vertex, we had the opportunity to work with Harvard. They had a project for measuring gravitational waves in space at the South Pole with a telescope, but it needed some aspheric components. These components needed to be 650 millimeters in diameter and made of a technical ceramic and alumina. Their project was very far behind and had no opportunity of getting on track. Within 6 months, we had all their components delivered and their system was up and running. When we initially conceived Vertex, we knew that we were going to receive a lot of prototype opportunities, so we wanted to construct the company's people and resources in a way that would support that effectively. So our staff, the people actually on the floor running the machines, making the customers' parts, most of them are either mechanical engineers or have physics degrees or degrees in optics from the University of Rochester. So we have a very talented group of people that can solve problems.
One thing that differentiates us from other companies in the industry is our ability to change our process on the fly if needed. We've been doing this for many, many years, so we have a lot of different tools in our toolbox. Jay and I knew right off the bat that we needed a machine shop because we cannot be at the mercy of other machine shops. You know, we're trying to deliver optics in 8 to 10, 12 weeks. We can't be waiting 6 to 8 weeks just for our tools to arrive. Having the machine shop capability in-house allows us to cut our lead times almost in half.
Every order comes in, there's a story behind it with the customer. And so what we try to do is find out what's most important to them and make every effort to give them quality, delivery, and cost efficiency.
What we're trying to do is find the best way to make something. There's a bunch of different ways to make optics, but there's always one way that's going to be easiest on the technician, and that's going to make the part the best and the fastest.
One of the benefits of Vertex Optics is that we are a relatively small company still. So the sales team doesn't have the luxury of not being technically minded when we look at drawings. We have to speak to engineers and optical technicians all the time, and they don't want to hear us say, "We'll get back to you." They want to hear, to a pretty high level of expertise, some immediate feedback on their drawings. So we take a lot of pride here in that our sales team can speak technical and be technical with our customers.
One of the things that we're really excited about is our ability to scale projects. So as we've grown over the last several years, we can take parts from the prototype stage and now effectively support the production requirements. We have ISO certifications to make sure that we are delivering parts that are following the proper procedures, as well as ITAR registrations for defense and CMMC compliance. We're excited about what the future holds. Some of the ways we intend to grow the organization is by adding new technology. We have a 5-year technology roadmap, and then bringing in new talent and new perspectives and new experiences to enrich the group that we've already put together. So when Joe and I began Vertex, one of the things that we were really looking forward to is to share what we know with the next generation of engineers and technicians. So we've been in the industry both for 30 years and both worked on a wide array of materials and sizes and shapes and geometries. To be able to teach all the young people that have come in and joined the company how to solve problems, how to break down walls and take things to new levels has really been a joy to be a part of. One of the things that makes our team unique is their dedication to our customers. We have a team of people that will own their projects and what they're working on, and they're committed to making sure our customers are as satisfied as possible.